What's going on, beautiful people? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome to my channel. This is Cooking with Mama Mav, and today we are making taco pockets or taco wraps, whatever you want to call them. But without further ado, let's jump into it. The first thing we're going to do is slice our onion, about a medium onion and half of it, and then we're going to go into dicing it up, because we're going to throw it into our hamburger, which is already on the stove. We're going to give it that extra flavor that we want. We are also going in with some minced garlic, about a tablespoon of that going in there. Then we are going in with some Sazon. Don't come for me if I pronounce that wrong. I am so sorry, but more flavor, more flavor. Then we're going in with some taco seasoning. Just make sure your seasoning is just covering that meat. And of course, we can't forget about our creole also going in there. This is going to be a very flavorful hamburger. It's going to give you that taco vibe for sure. This is what our end product looks like. And for those of you at home, drain off that grease. I know I didn't show you doing it, but that's the best way to do it, is to drain off that grease, because we don't need to be eating all that extra. So now I am forming the taco pocket. As you saw, I just cut a little slit so it'll fold over. Then I added some hamburger meat and cheese. Here comes some lettuce, and then I'm going to fold it over once again. And the last thing that I'm adding is some tomato. And then after that, I'm going to give it one last fold. And then it goes straight back to the grill, because I pre-grilled these tortillas. They're the kind that are refrigerated. That's my favorite kind of tortilla. So I pre-grilled them, and then to finish them off, I put them back on there. So here I go again with another pocket. This one's a little bit different. I'm just going to do meat and cheese on this one. So you're going to add meat 2 times, cheese 2 times, and then continue to fold over until you have a pocket or a wrap, like I said, whatever you want to call it. So as you see, we're on the grill now, and I'm just getting them browned and getting that cheese melted. And once I get them to the liking that I like them, that didn't make any sense, but once I am happy with what they look like, then we're going to go straight into the plating. Just take them off of that heat, put them on the plate. They are a very filling, especially if you add a good amount of hamburger to these pockets. They are very filling. I think I was able to eat 2, then I was done, and my husband had to take a break on his second one, and then he finished his third one later on. So they are very filling. And I just jazzed up the plate with some lettuce, tomato on the side. I shoved my lettuce and tomato in my pocket. Dip it in sour cream and salsa. This is it, y'all. It's super easy. It's super fun to do. You can even do it with the kids. I just want to thank y'all for coming back to my channel, or for the first time coming to my channel and doing this recipe with me. So until next time, y'all.